Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to kickstart your career in Power BI, data analyst and data science? Check out this 10 internship in Power BI, data analyst and data science. It is ideal for freshers and graduates with bachelor degrees. Some are remotes, offer stipend and provide hands-on experience with the real world data. So if you have a career gap or you are from non-IT background, you must apply these 10 internships. Also follow these companies on LinkedIn and send your resume to their HR for better chance. These internships offer experience in data analysis, dashboard creations, data management and business insight, giving a strong foundation for your career. So let's get started. First internship is a Power BI internship. It's a work from office internship. Location is in India. It's in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Stipend is 2,000 per month. Duration is 6 months. Talk about responsibility. You have to develop Power BI tools, analyze raw data for business insights, create dashboard and run SQL and DAX queries. So it's a best internship if you want to learn a practical experience. So you can apply this internship. Second internship is a data analyst internship. Company name is a Renvent Agro Chain. Location is a Saket, Delhi. Stipend 5,000 to 8,000 per month. The skill they need SQL, Excel and Python. Responsibility, you have to collect and clean large data sets, collaborate with a team and help document data process. Third position is a project intern. Company name is a Fractal Analytics. Location is a Mumbai. The skill required Python, SQL, Power BI, API. Responsibility, you have to develop Power Automate flow, interact with the reset APIs and optimize data processing. So for this internship, you must have a knowledge of Python, SQL, Power BI. So if you want to become a project intern, it's a good company. You can apply for this internship. Location is a Mumbai. Fourth internship is a data analyst internship. Company name is a Miles Professional Education. Location is a Bangalore. In this internship, you will get a stipend 8,000 to 10,000 per month. The skill Excel, Tableau and SQL. Job responsibility. You have to gather and analyze business data, create reports using tools like Excel and Tableau. So for this internship, you must have Microsoft Excel and Tableau knowledge. So if you want to apply this position, you must have these skills. And if you don't have these skills, you are new to data analyst. So you can learn Microsoft Excel and Tableau from online sources. You can learn from YouTube. You will get a free content on YouTube. You can apply this position. Fifth position is a content design and data support intern. Company name is a IFRC. Location is a New Delhi. Job responsibility, you have to assist with content and data visualization. You have to support research and manage data for a strategic plan. So this internship is a content design and data support intern. So don't forget to mention these keywords in your resume like content creation, data support, data visualization and strategic planning. So you can apply this position as well. So these are 5 internship in data analytics, Power BI and data science. There are 5 more internship you can apply on this website. If you want more video in internship like Power BI, data analyst, data scientist or SAP or other IT skills, please comment below. See you in next video. Thank you.